good alaala kasama ang mga sandaling dati mong saya. Nalimutin, bakit di ba nawala ka na? Ngunit paano nga ba ang pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik? Batid ko na nasaktan kita mga labis. Thank you, and people in the house. Ano sudah niyo? Someday I'll find someone who really loves me, and he the one to go with me. Hi, Manuel. Gligitor. Hi, Gligitor. Thank you to those who sending the heart. Are you okay? I'm fine. Hi, Derek Jones. Thank you. Hello, my Cheryl. Sir Derek. Hi. Just tell me where the was. Thank you for the likes po. Nathal Fontas. Hi, Nathal. It tapped the winter sun when you said that you were never. Stephen Cochran. Hi, Sir Stephen. Three likes. Great. So tell me where do it start? Thank you for 14 people in the house. you guys. Natal contest. New monthly here. New monthly here. Andy Yanto. Hi. Hello pa. Hello. Hi. Hello. How are ya? Where are you from? What is your name? How old are you? Kumusta na? Kumusta ate? Okay naman. Kumusta ka din? Hi Marca Dubam. Hi Marca Dubam. Thank you po for joining. I'm from Brazil. From Brazil, F. Mazu Paulo. From Brazil. From Brazil. Okay lang. Mahalaga. And you, I'm fine. Your figure is beautiful. Ah, thank you. May asim pa si ate. Bakit mangga ba ako? Ba't maasim? Hinihingin ko ba ang opinion mo? Pagkain ba ako? Kaya nangangas. Pagkain? Huh? So tell me where do I start? Cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Oh, maybe you're hard to find a way, but only heaven knows. Someone like you, please. Hi, Mahal. Hello. Hello, my mic. My mic. I'm from Indonesia and I'm a little speak Tagalog po. Ah, okay. It's okay. I understand from the Indonesia. It's okay. It's fine. At least you try. Andy Yanto from Indonesia. Thank you so much. Rice. $17 million. Gab, aniwa mo ha? How am I sweet? Steven Capran. Kumusta ka? Okay naman po. Okay naman. Ikaw online in Bicol, live or not? What is that? What do you mean? Andy, yeah. Yeah. Ano ulam natin? Fried fish. Share with me, my Sheryl. Derek, Sir Derek. Where are you from, Sir Derek? Johns. My name is Sheryl. Aplikasyon? 24 people in the house. Why are you laughing? And Andy Yanto, Sheryl food looks good. The rice. Some, but ang shiny ng hair nyo, super execute me. I don't know. It's natural. Shiny, hindi nga, rough po. Are you Filipino? Yes, I'm Filipino. Here comes the troll. They don't give up. Cow Geo, cow Geo, cow Geo. What it means? Wari wari. Nakabakal ka na? The weather here is warm weather.
Opo. Wala. Wala na tramadol.
Baka na?
Wala
Kasi dito sa...
parasit ang tramadol.
May galintura?
Ha?
May galintura?
Dili, paracetamol plus tramadol dito. Hindi yun na lang pa kami dito puso. Paano na siya? Tramadol lang.
Ito na ano, tramadol paracetamol. Warang sa
Wala.
kabila. Maski dito sa hospital.
Sa hospital nga nagba. Di ko sa hospital pa no, mahanap ka ng resita. Wala man, di ko man ako ano.
Ito ka na may baga.
Wala, sa pagkatang.
Sabi ni mama yung resita, yung kuha baga niya. Kita.
Ano yan, ma?
Kanina baga.
Ma?
Wala
pa na wala pan resita.
Sabi baga niya, hinahanap niya yun. Resita, yung kuha baga niya. Foggy here in California. Okay. Foggy, maybe so cold. Andy, no personal question to our host. Be respectful or you will be gone. Final warning. Andy, my age is 40 years old. 40. I ate stuffed peppers and grilled potatoes for dinner. Oh yes, that's great. Where are you from, Sir Derek Jones? Kain tayo, yes. I can't wait for spring. He's a troll. Zero sub, zero content on his channel. Okay. Steven. Hola, mujer hermosa. Hi, hola, mujer. Hola, mujer hermosa. I eat chicken soup and rice. Okay. Charlie, hi. So I can get my garden planted. Yes, I like planting. I am from North USA and it's freezing cold here. Yeah, my God, freezing. Sounds like when I live in USA. When you live in Utah. Lots of snow. Lots of snow. Philippines is very humid. Yeah, maybe. We were with us three. Oh my god, so cold. Right now it's 8 Celsius Fahrenheit. Wow. Derek, keep eye on trolls. You're a mother. You're a mother. Wow, sweetie, good PM. Hi, Royal Florence. I've been there 3 times. Really? Here in the Philippines? Ano yung sira man? Isda. Pritong isda. Well, sure, God bless always. You bond your family. Thank you, Sir Steven. Well, Bully Man, Cheryl. I don't know. Where's Sir Fred? Bye-bye now. Thank you, Sir Steven Capran. I'm just a moderator. I'm not the police. Derek. Sir Derek Jones. It's okay. Papa? Papa ka? Ah. Ah. Ba? Harang ang kamot ko. Hmm. Ba? Papa. Bye. Yung what? Rachel Ares. Derek, do you know what being a moderator means? If not else, take it away. It's okay, Mike. No worries. I will sometimes that's why I put the moderator because I will know if the person is I no need to no, no need to be responsible, but I recognize this person is one of my friends. Yeah. He joined me here. Derek Johns joined me here as good friends. That's why I'm not. That's why I'm always here. I see here. That's why I put him moderator to recognize that this is the friends here on YouTube. No worries. Thank you, Sharon. No worries about that. Sometimes I can put the I understand, but he needs to help protect her channel, that's all. Okay, but sometimes people are busy, so no needs to. So, if he, I think if he recognize, if he see the something bad here, maybe he will. But maybe just you are so fast, that's why. Thank you so much for 10 people in the house. My God. Saan ka mo? Ha? Baka ano. Sila-sila ay. Diretso ka na pa kanina. Thank you 13 million here na Real Tree Life. Truth Hunter morning. You smoke cigarettes? No, I'm not a smoke. I'm not smoke. Yeah, stop. Stop. Derek, what kind of weather you getting that you getting where you are? I'm expecting 1 to 2 feet snow starting late Saturday night. That's crazy. So tell me where to start. Phrasing. Thank you, Mike. You eat with your left. Ay, what is this? Spark. Ayun. Wala, madumi. Wala ko kung may God. Masama mo. Kurangan. Sa akin na lang. Sa akin na lang. Thank you. Ang daw ko ngayon si Irene. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 13 people in the house. Thank you so much. Kuya Ian. Thank you, Kuya Ian. Hi, Mike. You need help? Aray ko. Why need help? Yes, tons of trolls. Tons of trolls. Oh my God. Spaghetti. So yummy. Hi, Kuya Ian. Why are you ignoring me? Huh? A bitch is a charm? Why I ignore you? Where is the number one scammer? Sir Thomas, thank you so much, Sir Thomas, for joining. Sir Thomas from Denmark. Akash. Where's Sir Fred? Maybe Sir Fred busy? Oh my goodness. Lynn Louise, hi. I'm still in the jungle. Ian has busy doing his honey do less. Lol, lol my. Saba bien too much. Too much? Too much. Oh gosh. Thank you so much. It's you and I. James, hi James, good morning beautiful from Denver, Colorado, USA. Hi Sir James from Colorado, USA. Have a nice day. Early morning. Chibian to Polyfuncus until I don't speak French. Len Louis. And when I get there, Cheryl will have me doing honeydew list. Do list too, yes. Big Lon! Hi Big Lon! Thank you so much, Big Lon. Well, hello there, love you, Cheryl. Hi, thank you so much, Big Lon. Louise, chat in English, please. Yes. Louise, can Jitem be cool? Oh my god, I know Jitem. Thank you, Big Lon. Hi, Big Lon. Thank you so much. What are you doing? Mike, still, ano? Still, still, what do you call this? Freezing, so cold. Oh, no, never this weekend. Ian, that was awesome. Seeing your wife's family all living so close there, yeah. Yeah, so close. That's great. But Daily bar, Cheryl, you was up early this morning, yes. I wake up too early here, but I still wide awake. I feel natatae, my God. Digital. Oh my God. Hello. Hi, Donnie. Yes, Mike. That's how they live in the province. Donnie. Hi, Donnie. Morning daily bar cake. Daily bar cake. Cause you and I, you and gabi sa isip napapanaginip. How are you? I'm fine, Donnie. Kahit sumapon, araw, gabi, nalalasing sa tuwa. Oh, thank you so much sa nagla-like. Maraming. Oh, ayan, dito na naman siya. What's up, Sheryl? Okay naman. Doing well. Jayalal, are you talking to me from me? Okay, yeah. That's good to hear from Donnie. Yes. Naglasing sa kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi nasa isip napapanaginip. Sabi man pag-duit. Mali ka didi. Kuha na niya daw. Oh. Ito, maghapon ka rin ka ano ha. Doon ka naman maka. Bali, doon ka naman makaon. Oo, doon pa nang gado. Ay, na-uncharger. Yes, we're part from Donnie. Where do you live? I'm from Philippines. Okay, where are you from? I am from Serbia. You are beautiful. I'm from Philippines. Oh. Gurula na naman yan. Dito mo lang sa taas si Butang, ang cellphone. Ate Sheryl, sorry. Bakit sorry? Anong mali? Bakit sorry? Anong ginawa mong mali? No, I'm not single, Barbas. I'm not. Big greetings to the Philippines. Yes, thank you. I need to dance. Oh, pinagyabang ko kasi na ako ang pinakamayaman sa mundo. Okay lang yan. Alam mo minsan, yan yung mga pangarap natin eh. Okay lang na i-voice out. Pero at least, diba, nag-humble ka, nag-ano ka na. Okay lang yan, Jerome. Sanay naman ako sa mga ganyang pang-sampo ako. Okay lang yan, Jerome. Alam ko naman hindi ka mayaman. Kasi alam mo ang mayaman, tahimik lang yan sila. Wait lang, tatay lang ako saglit. Diyan ka lang, Jerome. Huwag kang angalayo. Tatay lang ako saglit.
I'm host for today's.
No. Lola doon. Lola doon. Lola. Uwa. Uwa. Ayun doon.
May lalagay. Ulol. Yan ako motor. Ulol. Ayaw po ba?
Binayaan natin na spaghetti nito pagkasama. Matanyet. Tatlo eh. Ay, ang paglalabot.
Sorry. I'm sorry, success. Oh, nakaturog na si Dadang. Ha? Nakaturog. Sorry, I'm here now. Oh my God. You're a lucky guy, Mike. Why? Why a lucky guy? Ah. Yes, Cheryl, you are beautiful. Really? And everyone I check has 0 subs, 0 content. Double tap your screen, like and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Donnie. Same and Friends Live, Mike. Oh, wait. Many thanks to Brother Fred. Thank you, and she's amazing, wonderful young lady for sure. 1,000 off, guys, on YouTube, and she picks you, Mike. My God. No, did not like me. My God. Boyfriend's wife really has him busy today. Wow. Yes. Yeah. They are still doing the water tower. Piece of advice for Jerome. I know, Jerome, ang pagiging mayaman. Ang totoong mayaman. Jerome, wait lang. Wait. For Jerome Alberturias. For Jerome Albertorias, ang totoong mayaman, tahimik yan sila. Tahimik yan sila kasi kahit anong ibato ng mundo, mayroon silang panlaban. So ayan, may saving sila, may pinagkukunan sila ng ng pera, may pinagkakakitaan sila, matatag yung pundasyon ng pinagkakakitaan nila. Kaya ang totoong mayaman, Ti Sheryl, ba't mo ba ako pinipigilan? Hindi kita pinipigilan. Di, Jerome, ang sinasabi ko lang, Jerome, ang totoong mayaman, simple lang. Hindi kailangan magyabang. Kasi ang totoo talagang mayaman, yung mga simpleng tao lang. Yung, ano ba yan? Ang tawag doon? Hindi yan nasusukat sa yaman ng material na bagay. Ano yan, bonus lang yan. Kaya nga, di ba, sipagan mo para mayaman ka, pero sa tama na kapag yumaman ka, stay humble. Kasi kapag yumaman ka tapos nagyabang ka, mayabang kung hindi ka sa ayoko ng mga mayaman na mayabang, tapos bakit maraming pera, akala mo kung sino na, tapos hindi mo kasi minsan yung mga mayaman hindi mo rin malapitan, nakakahiya. Yung akala mo nanakawan sila, akala mo utangan, parang mga ganun. Parang ang hirap kaibigan sa mayaman. Pero kasi naman nakaka naman kasi mga tao din naman mga boss. Pero hindi lahat. Sana another source of contentual. Sana girly, kumusta ka? Okay lang. Sana girly, where are you here in the Philippines? Sana. Ano ba yan? Ouch. Could be. I'm not a Philippines. What? I translated. Oh, really? Where are you from? Sana. Ate Sheryl, kaya ako yung mama niya kasi mahal ako ng magulang ko. Talaga. Swerte naman ako. Sige nga, subukan kita. Kung mayaman ka nga, send ka nga ng super chat dito. Any amount. Kung mayaman ka talaga. Try to send super chat kung mayaman ka, Jerome. Any amount. No worries. I'm from Earth. Sana all. Sana ay nasana all. Oh, sorry, Sana. My moderator is strict. He's so very protective, my moderator. So sorry, Sana all. Sana girly. Mike, I on my cell phone, so I am not so fast. It's okay, Kuya Ian. No worries. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only Sheryl is. Oh my god, no. Hello? Yak, akadiri. So is a real trolls. I don't like. Oh my god, a lot of trolls now. Stalker, liking, trolls. We got it by a second. If they expect you to answer questions, Sheryl, then they should show respect when you ask them questions, no smart as comments. Okay. I remember when you said that you I was afraid this time would come and wasn't prepared to face this kind of heartache from it. I will need to Sweet, just dream of you tonight and listen to me. Sit down, touch me once again. Tell my heart exhale. Cheryl, did you fly in a plane before? No. Never experienced Kuya. Never. Airplane. Never. Never experienced that. No. Carry on alone in the center room and lead my mind to fly to the end. Thought of you as think linger around, watching my life is not as fair. I could still recall those memories of you, the joy and all your laughter, the love that we've been through. Oh, I can't believe you're gone. And for a joke, tomorrow when Fred starts his live, tell us sorry but you're doing a live at the same time. Oh my god. Hi Healer! Thank you Healer. Ate Cheryl, ano bang isend ko sa'yo? Super chat. You can send super chat. Craig Smith, if you are rich, you can. I want you, songs we used to sing. You gone, talking to myself. The reason I can't find finding out when from this point. I think the mountain party will be called off. Oh my god. Tears began to show. You said you care for me, but then you had to go. And now I know you're gone. Super chat and members available. Hey, power host, everyone. Thank you, Mike. I don't want to remember songs we used to sing, 'cause I don't want be in my better people. Yes, better people. Ian, you mean our wedding there? Oh my god. Ben. I just can't believe you're gone. Craig Smith, thank you, Craig Smith. I don't want to remember the thing we used to say, all the things that reminds me of you. Yes, Ian people, she gets all the gap sense. Yes, thank you guys. Sa Ate Cheryl, gusto mo bang yumaman ngayon? Sino naman ang hindi? 'Di ba? Sinong hindi? Lahat ng tao gusto yan. Alam mo, yung iba nagpapakasama dahil sa gusto nilang yumaman. Pati arinola mo, ibenta mo. Ang OA. She'll sing like it. No. No. Kuya Ian, oh my God. Kuya Ian. Luma na yan. So far.
Hi guys.
Wish, take me by the hand. I wish, hold your breath and with me find it might come true. And starry, starry night. Wish, look into my eyes and wish, reach out for the dream, it's there for me and you, and we might fall in love. I found out the karaoke song. Oh my God, no, I don't like to sing that song. My God, I will learn. Hello, Gabriel from Mike. Thank you, Mike. Mayroong ka ba sa aking dibdib? Ito nga kaya'y pag-ibig. Huwag mo nang damdamin. Hinanay itatago, ikaw ay mahal ko rin. James, hello beautiful from Denver, Colorado, USA. Hi, Sir James. Kung pag-ibig man, sana'y wag nang mag-isip. Wish, sana bawat bukas ay lagi kong kasama ang pag-ibig mo dito sa puso ko. Iyan, next need video of, oh my God, no! No. Hanggang mahal kita, hanggang kailan pa man. Hi, Kaisho. Hi, Kaisho. Wish, sana bawat bukas ay wish, sana bawat bukas ay lagi kong kasama dito sa puso ko. Kuya yan. There are only videos of the guys singing that song live. What? Bukas ay dito sa puso ko. Rikisap mata. wait lang, no.
Ay, nagkato kami sa tulay. Inakay ko na ito kamera. Tapos, makakadisibit kami tayo nagpamati. Pero makadi na lang kung siya na istoryahan kami sa about sa ito na orig. Yato na sa balayan orig. Duwayad to kay ansaro sa tukwaon man kuno ay litsunon. Ansaro ito, ang pinili man durdako. Kay 30 kilos parehas to. Ansaro haligpot, pero buros og. Ansaro halabaon, halangkaw. Di sabi ko, kamo na lang natin siya mag-istoryahan. Ano mo na lang yada. Sa niya kahit niyan pa malain makati kunta kaso may kalentura.
Sige lang.
Sabi niya makadi siya maistoryahan ka sa to.
Pag may na, apat pa man.
Mao nga
Wala
nila.
English pa. Ian thought maybe one singing and demonstrating. Oh, no. Oh. My God. That was I was looking for. That one sent her over the edge. Oh my God. Handa na kong hamunin ang aking mundo pagkatuloy pa rin. Kung minsan ay hinahanap pang alaala ng iyong halik, inaamin ko na kahit tagal at malilimutan ito. Hirap ulit muli, iwan nating pag-ibig. Tanggap na at natututo pang harapin ang katotohanan ito. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, magbago man ang hugis ng puso mo. Dana kong hamunin ang aking mundo pagkatuloy pa rin. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, magbago man ang hugis ng puso mo. Handa na kong hamunin ang aking mundo pagkatuloy pa rin. Ayan, she's trying not to think about it. Beautiful sing. I don't want to think about it. No, my God, please help me. No. You can put the lyrics into an AI and see what we. Oh my God. Nasanay ako sa aking pag-iilan. My God, my goodness, I might look myself tomorrow. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, magbago man ang hugis ng puso mo. Handa na kong mamunin ang aking mundo pagkatuloy pa rin. Thank you, Kuya Ian. Tell me, where did I go? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I shall see what Fred started, I told you he was going to bully you. My God! Hard times when I just want to feel you in place in the cold at night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I was new. I never thought be here forevermore. All those years I want to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you. Every night I'm watching all the stars that fall down. Wishing you would be mine. I just can't believe that you were mine now. You were just a dream that I was in. I never thought I would be right for you. Fred is the king of bullying. Can't possibly outdo him. Nah. How can I go? Guys, we are heading off home now. Catch you tomorrow. Bye. Thank you, Kuya Ian. Thank you so much for joining here. Thank you, Kuya. In the silence. Alam mo, if I try to bully Fred, he times me out every time. He times you out. Okay, Ian, see you tomorrow. Thanks for helping here. Thank you so much, Kuya Ian. Thanks a lot. Ang pagkakataon nasabihin ito sa iyo, di ko ito ginusto. Tayo'y magkalayo, ngunit di magkasundo. Damdamin laging di magtagpo. Oh. Paalam na aking mahal, kahirap sabihin paalam na. Oh my God, ang hirap kantahin. Aking mahal. Ang hirap kantahin kasi ayoko magpaalam. Oh my God. Ang sakit isipin na kahit nagmamahalan pa, puso't isip ay magkaibang maaaring di nang laan sa isa't isa. Ang hirap bumitaw. Oh my God. Maaring di nang sana wag mong isipin, pag-ibig ko'y di tunay, dahil sa'yo lang diba ang isang ano na to, pag-ibig na walang kapantay. Ang ganda ng song. Beautiful song. Ngunit nasasaktan lang puso ang pagbibig. Beautiful sing by Sheryl. Thank you, Mike. Bigyan kahit pamamaan ang siyang bulong ng isipan. At very heartbroken song. Very, very, you are so, I'm looking forward, no, I'm not, hope nothing happen about us. Alam na, saying goodbye to someone you love. Sakit isipin kahit nagmamahalan ka, puso't isip ay magkaibang maaring bilang sa isa't isa. Nandito ako. Oh my beautiful, thank you so much. Thank you so much to those hit the likes. Bibigyan. Sana ulit. Oh my god. Hi, Fallen Met. Fallen Met. Fallen Met. Sana maulit ulit ang mga oras natin kada. Bakit nagkaganito? Ikaw nga ba ang pag-ibig mo? Sana maulit ulit. Sana bigyan ng pansin ang himig ko kahapon, bukas, ngayon. Tanging wala ng ibang mahal. 8 million kung kaya ko. Di na sana asa pa. Oh my, I feel sleepy now. I'm going to sleep now. My life. Ibalik ang kahapon, sandaling di mapalitan. Huwag sana nating itapong pagmamahal wagas. Kung kaya kong hindi na pa mapagbibigyan. Check your message, huh? Check mine. Oh my god. Ah, so sweet. Hi, Mina Suave. Hey, sugar. I'm not sugar. you so much. Thanks. Eleven people here. Thank you po. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Thank you pa. Likes. Okay. Nagawa ka na, Gab? Gab? Nagawa ka na? Halan, ano, Gab? Ginawanan mo sa ano? Kadi rin sa ato, ano, suludan. Spaghetti. Ginawanan mo. Ibot ano na din, kadi rin ito sa ato. Ano nito sa ano, ayam? Marami-rami ang aking lahat. Kung sino-sino ang ilang pagkat isa pa lamang ang binabalikan. Ang nakalipas sa nating aring bagay sa tinami-rami ng aking kapiling. Kung sino-sino ang umibig sa akin, isa pa lang ang minabalikan. Nakalipas sa natin aring bagay sa tinami ang aking kapiling. Sino-sino ang umibig sa akin, meron siyang minamahal. Meron siyang may-ari ng puso. Hello. Shout out. Sabi mo na, maribuko niyo. Ganda. Ano? Sana may gusto. Okay ka, malamig na. Malamig. Sikaw. soak. Oh. Oh my God. Mm. Oh my God. Ay! Ang lamig. Tell me, where did I go wrong? Hi, JD. 1993. JD. My God, so talaga. Lamig. Cha-cha-cha-ra. Sami weather, white star. Ganda mo, SM. Be. Sa joke. Yeah. Talaga lang. Dami. Akash. Akasha. Akash. Laging ikaw ang nais makita. Ang aking karuna. May asawa ka na, ma'am. Malapit na ako mag-asawa. Aasawa na ako. Mag-aasawa na ako. Malapit na ako mag-asawa. Mag-aasawa na. Mag-aasawa na ako. At kapag ako nag-asawa, hindi ko kayo papansin. Ang kapal ng mukha. Well, sure. Oo nga. Mag-aasawa na. Kapag nag-asawa ako, hindi ko na kayo papansin. Ang kulit. Dati-rati may ngiti. Nakita ko sa iyong ngiti. Ba't ngayon nagpapalat ka na? Tila pa ngayon. Bakit di makita? Bakit di marama? 7 people. Yes. Ha? Tell me where do I start? Thank you for
Ako nga naman napapay para makainom ka bulong. Para mag-inom ka bulong. Ha?
ano na. Feel, ba yun? Tawag doon? Sleepy. Oh, Santi pa bukas. Oh my gosh. Tomorrow, have a Zumba. Tomorrow, Zumba day. Zumba. Tomorrow is a Zumba. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. Iyak pa. April. April's sana maulit-ulit ang mga oras na bakit nga ba mahal kita kahit ito na kasi nandang ko nga ba mahal kita kahit online super chat and memorable comments or videos be respectful to the host, please. Thank you, my mic. Thank you po. Thanks a lot. Madalas kitang makita may kasama, magkahawak ang mga kamay, bumibigat ang puso ko, laging nangyari na kung kapiling mo. Dapat nga kayang sa'yo ako'y humangat kahit na ako mayroon ng iba. My God, ang hirap naman itong kanta na to. Parang mahal na, tapos magmahal pa ng iba. Aray ko, aray ko. Jesus, Jesus, salamat. Jesus, thank you, Jesus. Wala nang mawalay ka na, damdamin kong puso. Nais kong yakapin kang mahigpit, mahal kita, hindi kita pababayaan. Nais ko kahit saan, kahit minsan ay napansin ko. Thank you, ala mo, my life. Painting. Hindi ako katulad na sinasaktan ka lang. piling. Ay liligay ka, di ka maluluha pa. I'm so in love with you. The taste of the kisses, your lips on my lips, and this in my heart, in my heart. I'm so in love with you. I'm so in love with you. I felt, oh my god, sleepy na. I need to, I feel sleepy, I can't, Melvin Corpus, hello, Melvin. I need to end the live. Feel sleepy na. I have a Zumba tomorrow, work tomorrow. We need to work tomorrow. We have work Sunday. Bye bye. Hi, America the Bomb. America the Bomb. Thank you for joining. But I need to end the live now. See you next live. Thank you so much. Thank you a lot. Bye bye.